This is just a short tutorial on replacing a standard banjo tuner with a gear tuner. Now, I know this tuner will come out easily because I've just had it out, but if it didn't, then you'd get something padded like that, stick it behind there to protect the neck, and just leave it until it comes out, slips straight out. Now the gear tuner has a bigger flange than the ungeared tuner, so what we need to do, I've got two reams here, and you can buy them cheaply on AliExpress for a couple of dollars, and I've got them chopped off so they're the right size to do the fifth string nut and fifth string peg rather. So what we do here, put in a drill, make sure you're straight. What's happened here? Okay. Try it as you go, but I know that I'm going to be right because I've done this many times before. I can take it to the extreme with it. Add a little bit more. And that is as close to perfect as you can get, in my book anyway. So from there, we'll grab a clamp, and we clamp it in on a slight angle. The angle's not all that important, but I like to put a bit of glue on too because a lot of these come out when I'm using glue. It's good to have a bit of paper under it just in case. So, put glue on there. Stick in the hole. That looks like a pretty good angle. Get our clamp. And we're actually pushing it in with the clamp. They don't go right in. That's about as far in as they go. And just get a bit of paper, run it round the edges just to get the excess glue out. And that, in a nutshell, is that. You don't have to wait for the glue to dry.